Developing news in the battle against the drug overdose crisis. San Francisco is staring down safe consumption sites as a possible part of the solution. But will it be the thing that can finally prove to be effective here? ABC 7 News reporter Tara Campbell reports.
And the bottom line is, we're sick of talking about this. We've been talking about it for years.
Supervisor Hillary Ronan is talking about safe consumption sites, places people can go to use their drugs under supervision in case of an overdose, and get connected to services like treatment and housing. The Board of Supervisors and Mayor London Breed believe the sites could be part of the solution to San Francisco's drug overdose crisis.
And the city would pay for the majority of services in a center like that.
But legal concerns are slowing them down.
What the city wouldn't pay for is the staffing of the room that is watching people to make sure they don't overdose when they use drugs, because under federal law, that is still illegal.
And so they're turning to nonprofits to take the legal risk. Lydia Branston is the executive director of the Gubbio Project.
I do believe that when it comes to life-saving services, you have to take a stand.
And Branston says in order to do that, they need time to raise the funds and a contract with the city, clearly laying out what they're paying for and what they're not. She estimates it will cost nearly $1.5 million a year to operate a single safe consumption site.
And that would include having staff, the equipment that we need, and also making sure we have EMTs on site.
A nonprofit in New York City has been operating 2 privately funded sites for more than a year. And so far, the DOJ's turned a blind eye. But there's concern that could change.
What's standing in between the city opening these centers and not is the city attorney.
The city attorney's office has signaled support for the New York model, but Supervisor Ronan says it's taking too much time.
We get down to the details. They say they won't sign up on contracts and they won't allow us to use opioid settlement funds for the purpose. So it's a lot of yes and no at the same time.
Tara Campbell, ABC 7 News.